How to add a wholesale area to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your very own wholesale area in your Shopify store. And by the end of this video, once we're done with all of this, your customers that are wholesalers will be able to access and see items that your regular customers are not able to access. So keep that in mind. So having said that, let's just jump into it. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Shopify store over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on online store over here. I'm going to straight up jump into it. Now over here, what you're going to do is you're going to find your store over here, right? You're going to click on action, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on edit code. But before you do that, I want to show you that if I come over here into my store, let's just say we would like this watch to be only for wholesalers and not anyone else. So as you can see right now, I can see this item, I can see all its description, its pricing and stuff like that. Like I can access that, and I don't even have to be logged into it. So 1 minute. All right, so over here, as you just saw, I can access that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to edit code, and we're gonna start editing code. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we have to come over here at the top, and we have to come into layout and click on theme.liquid. Now over here, we're going to be searching for a specific part of the code, and to quickly do that, we got to click this button, Control F and Command F on Mac. Now what we got to do is we got to search for content for layout. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. As you can see, this is the bar over here, and there's only one of them, right? There is no other bar. So if search for this over here, as you can see, there's no one else. It's only this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bar, and we're going to add our own piece of code over here, which I will show you where you can get it. So as you can see, this is the code that we are supposed to plant over here. So I copied and pasted this code right here. And don't worry, you can find this code in the description down below, and so that you won't have to go find it anywhere else. This will be it. And once we have done that, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into the snippet section, and we're going to go ahead and create a new snippet, and we're going to call this snippet the wholesale node. And you got to make sure that you name it exactly the same thing so that you confuse later on. So wholesale node. So over here, this is it. So this is how it looks like, right? And remember, no spaces, all right? No capitalization of any letter and nothing at all. Just add this blank between wholesale and node instead of a space, and you're good to go. And once you've done that, just simply click on create snippet. Wait a couple of seconds, and boom, there you go. Your snippet has been created successfully. Now we can go ahead and write a code for it as well. And in this snippet, we're also going to be pasting another piece of code that I will provide you. It's very basic, it's really simple, and this is the code that you can go ahead and change on later on in the video. So basically, this is the piece of message that customers will get when non-wholesalers will come into a page and view that item. So as you can see, this page is approved for wholesale customers only. So if someone is not a wholesale customer, they will get this message as well. So log into your account, contact us, request a wholesale account, blah blah blah. Like all of this, you can go ahead and change it. This as well, you can change this specific message. I would recommend to anything you want, but it all depends on you. Okay, next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new template. So click on template, and over here just simply click on add a new template, and over here we can change this template type to page, all right, and dot liquid, and we're going to change the alternate to wholesale. All right, create template, and boom, we have a page wholesale dot liquid template created. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat this exact same thing and create two more template. First is page, right? The second one is going to be product, and the third one is going to be collection. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, liquid from article to product, and wholesale liquid. There we go. Create. So page, product. Now we're going to go ahead and create a collection one. We go ahead and search for collection. Here we go. Collection, liquid, and wholesale. Create template. Boom. All three templates are created successfully. And after you've, created the snippet, the theme and everything, once all of that is done, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save it. As you can see, I've already saved it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to products, and I'm gonna show you right now. And I'm even gonna open my store up over here into another tab so that you guys can see. Now I'm in my products. All right, this was the product that we would make it officially for the wholesalers and not for our regular customers. We're only gonna save it for the wholesale customers. So over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll down over here, online store over here, theme template. We see that we're gonna switch it over from here to wholesale. All right, or you can create a tag called wholesale. They both work perfectly fine, but for now I think that the theme will look much better. Now that that's over here, we're gonna go ahead and click on save. All right, wait a couple of seconds for it to be saved, and once it does that, we're gonna go over to the website to see if it actually worked. All right, it's saved. Now we're gonna go over to the website. Right, this was the product. As you can see, I can see it over here, but if I click on it, okay, I can actually view the product, which is weird. This should not be happening. Let me add the tag as well. All right, now if I see it, it worked before. I don't understand why it didn't work now. It's saved. All right, now let's go ahead and check it out. If I come over here, there we go. As you can see, this page is approved for wholesale customers only. Now, if someone logs into your account, contacts you, then you can request a wholesale account. So for example, let's go ahead and log in. All right, over here, you got to create an email. Let me just go ahead and create. All right, it can be anything. Sign in. We got to save that account over there. Now, if we come over here, it's still not available for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our home over here, and we're going to go into customers. All right, we don't have a customer yet. Let me just go ahead and create an account actually. All right, once we've created an account, here we go. That's done. Now we should have a customer over here. We still can't. I don't know why. But what would happen is we would have our customers over here, our customers list, whoever, signs up or signs in. I think I can't sign in because I'm still logged in with my official account for Shopify, but for you it might be different. For other people it might be different. What they'll basically do is they'll create an account, sign in, will be over here, and what you'll basically do is you'll give them the access. You'll just do the exact same process as with the products. You're going to do that with the customers, and then they will be able to see the product for the wholesalers. Now you will have to do this manually, right? There's no other thing, because you can't just give every single one of your customers a wholesale rate. You got to give the special customers the special discount. So you got to do it manually. You can't do it automatically. So that's the only thing. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you basically put like a wholesale page, all right, for your wholesalers. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.